Hello. I just want to tell you what my experience has been regarding an implant with Dr. Kim and Dr. Arrington. It has been not a big deal at all. I had some sedation for both procedures, and I really went home and was very comfortable, did not have a lot of pain. They give you medication for pain, but it has been much easier than I thought it was going to be, and I would highly recommend going there. They explained the whole procedure, and it was very clear, and even though I didn't always know exactly what that meant, I had no surprises afterwards. So I highly recommend them, and certainly look into going to their practice.
Thank you so much. And
You're
it was
welcome.
no narcotic pain medication, right?
Right. No, it was just, no, not narcotic. It
Just
was
ibuprofen, right?
Yes, right. Ibuprofen, 800 milligrams, and then some rinses and some antibiotics, and I had no problem at all, no infection or anything.
Were you scared about getting an implant surgery beforehand?
Yes.
Why?
Because I had been told it is long and sometimes painful and expensive, but I decided it was better than a bridge, so I went for it, and I'm so glad I did. And as far as painful, it really is no more than getting a tooth pulled, or when I had braces, getting braces adjusted. So not a problem. Do it. Go for it.
Thank you for sharing your experience.